Today I aim to upgrade the performance and the sound of my bike for as little as I can. So £14 for an airbox lid, and I'll just mark it up to delete the bits that I don't need. And after that, I'm going to replace the filter as well. So I've bought myself a nice Sprint air filter. So here we go, the Sprint air filter I bought for £62, I think, something like that. I'll put it on the screen, off eBay, free postage and no import duties. Now I went for this one over the K&N because I've watched a few videos, as you do my research, and one channel in particular, which I'll link above, gave you all the stats, facts and figures after having it dynoed, and didn't have to do any remapping or refueling or anything like that afterwards. So I thought, right, that's the one I'm picking, I'll go with that. I've scribed where I want to cut. There we go, a rough cut. I'm going to tidy that up with a file now. Just had a quick tidy up with the bastard file. Oh, that's so easy. Now you're going to need to remember to move your USB charging port. So to do that, you're going to have to undo these 3 hex bolts. And don't forget your zip ties. And just do them up front so it's easier to locate them later. There we go. Right, so I guess seat on, fire it up. Any difference? The moment of truth. Well, I've got to say, this is the best upgrade I've done to the 698 so far. The biggest thing I've noticed with the airbox lid delete and Sprint filter is you've got more torque lower down. I think about 4,000 RPM, feels like it's coming on song around there, and it's just got a lot more pick up straight away, lower down, so if you're wanting to go for an overtake, you don't rev the bike quite as much as you did before. Other than the step up in torque, it's definitely more vocal. I don't know if it's coming across on here, but it's got more snarl about it lower down. You can definitely hear it. It sounds a little more bassy, deeper tone to it, which I like. I don't want it being obnoxious and hacking off everyone in the neighbourhood. Off the top of my head, I can't remember exactly how many extra horsepower this gives without the Ducati up map that you would get with the full Termi system, but yeah, it's more than a couple. You can feel it, you know, the butt dynos screaming at you like, holy shit, is this the same bike? Yeah, so happy with this upgrade. It's not expensive to do, that's the best thing about it. Well, I am nearly at my coffee destination for today, so I'll leave you with that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to read the description. There's usually a couple of bits in there that I've forgotten, maybe a couple of links. And yeah, like I say, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one, folks.